All right, I'm attempting to make pumpkin spice bread because it's fall almost. It's finally cooling down in Texas. And I just really love pumpkin spice everything. It'll be delicious. So first thing you wanna do is get about half a cup of pumpkin puree, just like a really gracious half a cup, so like that. Crack 1 egg, whisk in the egg, and then you can start whisking in the pumpkin. Half a cup of maple syrup, and I do a little bit more than half a cup, just because that's what seems to work. And then a teaspoon of vanilla, and then you're gonna mix in your butter. Just make sure that your butter's not too hot because I've been told it can cook the egg if you don't. And now we can add our dry ingredients. 1.5 cups of Paleo flour. Paleo flour is just almond flour, tapioca, coconut flour, and arrowroot. It's super easy to make. A teaspoon of baking soda, not baking powder. Don't make that mistake because I've done it about 3 times. And trust me when I say that your bread will not come out the same. Pinch of salt and mix all that stuff up. We're good. That's it. It's so easy. So after you mix this thoroughly, then you'll get a sheet of wax paper or parchment paper and put some pumpkin seed oil on it. And then you'll pour this on top. Bam, bam, bam. Okay. I feel like people make this always look so graceful. I'm just like, I feel like I'm getting real fancy over here. So good.